Hazrat Nafi has reported from Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has prohibited from marriage in exchange. I, Ubaidullah, asked Nafi, what is the marriage in exchange? He said, a person gives his daughter in a marriage on this condition, that the other must marry his daughter to him without paying the dower, or he gives his sister in a marriage and the other person reciprocates it by giving his sister in marriage without dower. Some people say, if one contracts the marriage in exchange by a trick, it is valid, but the condition will be invalid. They have also said, in case of temporary marriage, the marriage will be void and the condition is invalid. And some people have said, temporary marriage and marriage in exchange, both are permissible, whereas the condition is invalid. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6960.